is auto layout. Auto layout is one of the main feature of Figma that every UI UX designer uses this feature for in their designs, in their user experience designs, or anything they're creating. So let's discuss about what is auto layout, and I'll try to constrain this and within 5 minutes. I don't know right now how much time it may take, but I will try to constrain it within 5 minutes. So what is auto layout? First of all, we have created this button and this text and this asset. You can see this is an arrow, and oh, there is no like this. Okay, first of all, we don't know that how much height or the spacing it's being adjusted to the point. So we will impose auto layout. We can do this by creating this plus sign, or I'm removing it to show you another thing. We can also make it with shift A like this, and you can say that every type of spacing and the padding and everything is adjusted accordingly. So this is the core feature of auto layout, and let's dive more deeper. This is the alignment panel. Like, this is up, middle up, right, top right, right alignment, center alignment, bottom center alignment. You can see the movement of our assets inside, bottom left, bottom right. So this is the alignment panel where you can adjust these things, and this is you can say the directional buttons. There are two directions, that horizontal direction or vertical direction. Currently it's aligned to horizontal direction, and now we can go to the vertical direction like this. That's great. And now we can also adjust the spacing between the items like this. This is a spacing creating point, and this is the it's quite good now. Okay, so this is the padding part. We can have the all four sides padding separately, or if we want to maintain the you can say equalization or equality among the assets, the text, we can do this by equally adjusting the space and equally adjust. Let's adjust it properly first of all, like this. And the button is this, I'm sorry, just lost this. Yeah, that's great. And it more, I think that's okay now. So this is the whole auto layout feature, and the spacing mode is packed or space between. Okay, the content is still hugging. Strokes include in the layout or not include. So there is the preview of everything in Figma. You can easily go through each and every part before imposing anything in your design. So make it a bit more responsive. Okay, this is moving. You can also clip the content, and this might be clipped. Okay, so that's what auto layout is, and I think I've just finished before 5 minutes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you.